Parashara dug his hoof into the earth.
That is a beautiful crater, Radha. But where is your holy water?
It will come.
If you're waiting for the rain, I'm sorry to report, there isn't a cloud in the sky.
Are you sure you won't accept some of my contaminated water?
No, thank you. We'll bring pure water from the Mansi Ganga.
Do you think they could use my help, Balaram?
Surely no one else could fill their needs, dear brother.
Oh, it's no use. It will take a lifetime to fill this pond.
Oh, Radha, I see you're fatigued and distraught. Please accept our service and allow us to fill your pond with our holy waters.
Yes, thank you. There is no other way.
Your pond, Radhakund, is even more beautiful than mine. This will always be my favorite pond. I shall come and bathe here every day.
Your pond is also very beautiful, Krishna. I shall bathe and play with my friends here every day.
for? Do what? Hit me. I didn't hit you. It must have been your cow's tail. I said I didn't hit you. I believe you. Then why did you hit me back? I didn't. Really? Do you expect me to believe some object just fell from the stars and struck me? It looks like a sesame seed laddu. A jasmine flower ball. That could only mean one thing. We're under attack! It's clear. Get in. I'll get you this time. Hey, no foul.
Look! A demon! Bakasura!
I've come for my breakfast and I like my meat well done. If you don't want me to eat your cows, then I will eat you. Who dares to ruin my breakfast?
I have not come to ruin your meal, Bakasura, but to improve it.
And how do you plan to do that, King Kamsa? Now that you've scared off the cows?
By offering you the tastiest morsel of flesh in all the world. My angel of death.
Your angel of death? The one who has killed all of the demons you have sent to destroy him? You want me to be his next victim? What kind of evil joke is this?
No joke, Bakasura. Destroy my angel of death, and I will see that you are fed like a king for the rest of your life. Destroy my angel of death, Bakasura. Then you shall feast.
Very well. I agree to your terms. Your angel shall be dead before day's end.
All glories to Kamsa's angel of death for saving our cows.
Whoever you are, may the gods protect you.
We've been walking so long. My feet feel like they're made of stone. Oh, if only there was a path across the lake. Our trip home to Vrindavan would be half as far. And so much cooler on our toes. Something struck me. Oh, whoever you are, I demand you to stop this instant. No more. Stop.
We are demons shooting jasmine flower balls.
You cannot hit us behind this bush. You're wrong, dear Radha. I cannot miss because I was Rama in my previous life. And everyone knows what a deadly bowman Rama was. You're a liar. What did you call me? She said you're a liar. You were never Rama. Rama was a brave warrior. But brave Krishna only picks on defenseless gopis.
You don't believe me? But I did take the form of Rama. After training to become an expert bowman from the sage Vashishta, I later learned of the great challenge by Maharaj Janaka that whoever could draw back his mighty bow would win the hand of his beautiful daughter, Sita. Oh, but whereas thousands of strong men failed to draw the bow, I drew it so powerfully that it snapped in two. Just like that. But after marrying Sita, my father ordered me to leave Ayodhya and roam the terrible forest of Dandaka. There, accompanied by Sita and my brother Lakshmana, I killed all manner of cruel and tyrannical demons. Then the demon Ravana kidnapped my dear Sita and slew my great devotee, Jatayu. I finally found Ravana in Lanka and with the help of the monkeys, destroyed him. And then I returned home to Ayodhya, where I ruled as king.
We all know the Ramayana, Krishna. And that you had no part in it.
But it's true. I still roam the forests. But instead of carrying my great bow, I carry this little flute. And instead of making the three worlds tremble in fear with my arrows, I make the fauna and flora tremble in ecstasy with my sweet music.
I don't think you've convinced them, my brother.
Why should anyone believe Krishna's vivid imagination? Maybe if he showed some valor, like that of Lord Rama, we could take him more seriously. Now, if you could build a bridge across this lake to Vrindavan, like Lord Rama built to Lanka with his army of monkeys, then maybe we could believe you. There you are, Krishna. And here is your army of monkeys.
If a bridge is what you want, then you shall have one.
I think you will need more than Cindy Dadi Lobha.
Thank you for coming, my dear little friends. Now, I have a job for you to do. Build these gopis a bridge across the lake so they may carry their butter and ghee home to Vrindavan.
Kamsa's angel of death is nearby. I can feel him. Ah, yes. Now, this one fits the description of Kamsa's dreaded enemy. And he will be my lunch when I fulfill my promise to Master Kamsa.
Bakasura has found Krishna.
Indra, shall I slay him with my fire spear?
No, Agni Deva. Let us observe for a while longer.
place. That's it. Good, good.
Look! The stones are floating. Krishna is deceiving us. Stones cannot float. They must be fake. I can't lift it.
Well, Krishna surely cannot be doing all this magic. All of the stones around here must float. If you're not going to help me, at least stay out of the way.
As great as Lord Rama.
I still cannot believe you were Rama in a previous life.
Indeed. You're as mischievous as a monkey yourself, Krishna. No wonder they follow your word.
Radha, Lalita, gather your pots and let's go home. Is that all the thanks I get for building you a bridge to Vrindavan?
Wait! You must at least pay a toll to cross the bridge. Like, that delicious butter you carry. Krishna, look! It's a demon. He'll eat us all. Krishna, get away before he devours you.
Do not be afraid. It's just a harmless bird.
Krishna! Oh, Krishna! No! Get away! Krishna! No! Krishna! Oh, Krishna!
Krishna! Kamsa's Angel of Death is but the first tasty morsel of a great feast to come.
What has that beast done?
We must destroy that foul demon and try to save Krishna before it's too late. Airavata!
Indra, how nice of you to drop by. To what do I owe the pleasure of a visit from the Devas?
We do not bring you pleasure, Bakasura, but vengeance!
Your feeble power is no match for me, Indra.
I, Brahmadand, will put an end to your evil.
evil is done, Bakasura.
Have survived their weapons, Bakasura, but my fire will consume you.